Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session, it is Tuesday, January the 25th, 2022. And today what we did is we attacked NVDA. And it was a quick in and out trade, nice trade. So let's kind of go over it. So first things, always, you see my margin account here. If I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at my screens as I'm doing this. So don't mind me, I'm not trying to be rude. So if you say, well, why does it say partially delayed data, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Well, let's come over here. So stock is in real time, New York Stock Exchange, Amex, NASDAQ, all real time feeds I got. Equity options is real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade futures. I don't trade the options on the futures. So that's the feeds are delayed. I don't need them. I don't use them. And Forex is in real time and others in real time. So those are the feeds I like because I like to look at the futures markets before the market opens up and over on the weekend. So I need real time data on that. So real live account. So let's come over here and let's figure out why we attacked NVIDIA. Well, why we attacked NVIDIA is this was the continuation trade from yesterday. And the reason why I told my guys it was a swing trade from yesterday. So if you didn't see that video, go back over here and look at the video for Monday, January the 24th. You'll see that I put out, this is a swing position, a swing trade. I don't like getting into swing trades, especially when the market is crazy like this, but it is a good swing trade. So we do swing trades. I just like to be in and out of the marketplace. So from Monday to Tuesday today, you'll see where the stock opened up. And this is kind of the reason why I don't want to be in a swing trade. I just want to get in and I want to get out. We draw the box, right? So remember what happens when we draw the box. Depending on where everything opens up or it closes, that's the box for the next day for us to take our trades, right? So we see here what's going on with NVIDIA. And if you're looking at this, this is my 200, this is my 20. I got them all locked up in a different color code so I know exactly what I'm doing. So let's see. When I took this trade, it was, let me show you right here. Let me just go over to my phone and I'll show you in a second. 9:43. This is when we took our trade at 9:43. So right here, we took our trade, right? And it was a boss trade because this is what you want to see, right? That was the triangle, the wedge that I wanted. Right here, that plummet, that drop. So let's come over here so that you can see it because this is what I sent out to my members. So you see it right there. Platinum Traders Group, 30-minute trade, bought to open January 22, NVIDIA 200 strike put, same strike put as yesterday. This time the contract was $2.30. I told my guys to get 20 contracts. They can get whatever kind of contracts they want. And I told them plus 40% profit, minus 15% stop loss on the option trade. It's always on the option. I can't remember the last time the video dropped 15%. So when I send out my trades, it's always on the option, never on the stock, right? Hopefully you guys understand that. And I tell them the usual rigmarole, all right? So don't steal my stuff because I say here, Double P, don't copy, don't steal my stuff, right? So we took that trade, boom, right? We got some nice, we got a tremendously nice rip. And as you can see here, this is a real-time trade. We're still in real time. The video is just dropping and dropping and dropping, right? It bottomed out probably about 5 times, right? So we see bottom here, bottom here, bottom here, bottom here, bottom, right? Right? So we know video is going to be going down hard. So let's come over here and I put the option on this side, right? So the option, when you see it, and the option is rocking right now, it went as high as 320, right? And you see right here is taking a nice little move. So it was a nice in and out trade for me. It was probably about a 10-minute trade. So what did we do on the video today, myself? I know my guys did good because I always send out the trades to them first, and I have to wait, and just so I'm compliant, and then I take the trade, right? So you see right there, 6,300, 40%, 6,300. That was on the day for me. So let's close that out. And as you see here, NVIDIA is challenging for the high right now because it's just moving. It's moving right there. And you see right, oh, and then we just hit a new low again on NVIDIA. Wow. I probably should have stayed in this position. But you know what? When you make that much money for a 10-minute trade or a 5-minute trade or a 15-minute trade or whatever the situation is, you take your money and you run, right? You always exit in the green as best as you can. Don't get greedy. Don't get overcocked. Don't get cocky. Don't get overconfident, right? I like to see this challenge for the high again. It probably will challenge for the high and probably break a new high, maybe on the next 2 candles, right? So if you like that information, you like what you saw, somewhere in this video, you're going to see a link to my site, Platinum Traders Beta Testers Group. So it's Platinum Traders, platinumoptiontraders.com. You'll see the link here. Smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. And I'll see you on the Profit Zone. Take care, everybody. Double P over and out. And I'll see you in another day.